Hi, my name is Tiwalala Ogunlesi. I'm a confidence coach and author and the founder of Confidence and Killing It. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you my 5 top tips on how to be productive and strategic with your growth as an entrepreneur. The past 3 years have been absolutely crazy with so many unprecedented things happening, but through it all, I managed to grow my business. I went from making 1-minute videos on Instagram to building a media company with a podcast, a book, an online course, and a thriving community of over 10,000 people. So, how did I achieve this crazy growth? Let's get into my 5 top tips on how to be productive and be strategic about your growth as an entrepreneur. Number 1, having an abundance mindset is key. When things are going wrong all around you and people are being super negative, you have to be able to look for the positives. You have to be able to seize the opportunity or even create your own opportunities. Remember, focus on the solution, not the problem. Number 2, learn how to prioritize the right tasks and cut down on the procrastination. One of the tools I talk about in my book, Confidence and Killing It, is the Eisenhower Matrix. And this is where you divide your to-do list into 4 quadrants. What's important, what's not important, what's urgent, and what's not urgent. So for tasks that are important and urgent, I do them straight away. I sit down, I focus, and I smash them out of the park. For tasks that are not really important but urgent, I delegate them. For example, you can delegate shipping your orders with the post office drop and go service. When you use this service, you don't have to wait for your items to be weighed, scanned, and then labeled. You simply go to the counter, drop them off, and go. Post office will then weigh them and sort out the postage for you same day. That way you can save time and channel your energy and creativity into the right tasks. Number 3, investing in your personal growth. As an entrepreneur, you have to know yourself to grow yourself. When you build a business in alignment with your strengths, passions, and values, you will truly be unstoppable. When you know who you are and what you're about, you will unlock your most empowered self. Number 4, co-create with your customer. This is a fantastic way to grow your business. Instead of building a business in a silo, you have to find opportunities to communicate with your audience and your customers and get feedback from them as you go along. And my 5th and final tip is to use technology in a strategic way to grow. Get really good at automating your processes using tools like Zapier. You can use tools like Later and Canva to be more productive with your social media. And finally, tools like Asana can help you with your project management and managing your marketplace. Thank you for listening and keep killing it. To get set up, visit postoffice.co.uk and search Drop and Go.